Drowning in tasks, let's lasso those loose ends and wrangle them into organized action with Basecamp. First, navigate to the project where you want to add a to-do. You can find this in your Teams and Projects section. In the sidebar, just click on the name of the project to enter. Now that you're in the project, click on the To-Dos tab. This takes you to all the to-do lists within this project. If you want to add to an existing list, click on the name of the list. If you're creating a whole new category of tasks, click Add a to-do list at the top of the screen. For this example, we'll add a to-do within an existing list, so click the name of the list you wish to add a to-do to. See that field at the bottom that says Add a to-do? Click there and type in your task. Be specific. For example, draft client proposal. Once you've typed your task, hit enter. Now it's time to add the details. Click on the newly created to-do item. Here, you can assign the task to someone by clicking Nobody Assign and selecting a team member from the drop-down menu. Next, set a due date by clicking on No Due Date and selecting the appropriate date from the calendar. Finally, add a description. This is super important for clarity. Use the description box to provide any relevant details, links, or attachments. This will help the assignee understand exactly what's required. And that's it. You've successfully added a to-do in Basecamp. Remember to use those assignments, due dates, and descriptions to keep your team on track and your projects running smoothly. Now get out there and conquer those tasks. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Basecamp tips and tricks.